So now let's upload the ViralListMachine. You can actually upload this zip file directly from your hard drive. Just click on Browse after you clicked on Upload. Select the file on your local disk, double click, and click on the Upload button. Now this may take some time. You can see the almost lightning speed of my internet connection here. 3.41 megabytes is very fast. So while the upload is in progress, I just want to tell you something about the files that have already been placed there by GoDaddy. So there's the DB backups, which you may or may not have. It's created automatically. There's the CGI directory, which contains some of the server-side stuff you may use with this account. There's a favicon, which is empty. I think it's just so that the log doesn't always show okay. It's a 404 error because the file is not there. There are two files regarding to forms, the GD form and the web form mailer you can use. Don't ask me how to use them or what they are for exactly, I don't know. There is this Google file, which is for Google Webmaster Tools, as far as I know, missing, which is displayed if a file is not found. There's the PHP INI, which is for PHP specific settings. And there was the welcome HTML, which is the default homepage. So let me just show you the current website. So this is the default website. There's nothing uploaded yet of our domain, ViralListMachineDemo.com. I'm going back to the file manager. I can now close this because the upload has finished. And now you can unpack the zip file directly. Just click here and click on the Unarchive button. So leave this destination unchanged, so that it will be unpacked to the document root of your website. Now just click OK, and now the zip file is unpacked. May take some seconds, and boom! See? Cool. Now you can safely delete that file, or not. Okay, doesn't work. I had that problem before. Sometimes it doesn't seem to work to delete something, and I have to reload the site. This page, sorry. Okay, now you're done here. You can just go back to the domain. In this case it's ViralListMachineDemo.com, and I hit F5. Yeah, there we go. So what you see here is first of all the title, which is default machine, because the title hasn't been configured yet, and this is the initial setup. So you see on the left hand side there are some buttons which you can't actually click on right now, and there's the license agreement which you have to read and to accept. It's free, no hidden cost or something like that. Just click on I accept the terms of a license agreement if you accept the terms of the license agreement. Okay, here is the database configuration. Now you need to know what the server name is. I've just provided some defaults which don't work with GoDaddy because the server is different for every installation. So now we need to go back to the file manager, click on Databases, MySQL, and then we click on Edit View Details, and on the right hand side under Action, and now it shows us the host name. Now we need to copy that host name, and we go back to the ViralListMachine setup and enter this name there. Then, as you probably remember, there is that funny user I had to create. So I'm gonna type it in here, vir block ViralList. Oh, okay, it's already there. Now I need to enter the password. There we go. The database is also called vir block ViralList. So, and there is the table prefix. Table prefix allows you to use multiple instances of the ViralListMachine with one MySQL database. So you don't need to have a database for every installation. You can use multiple installations with just one MySQL database. This is done by adding prefixes to the table names in the database. So if you've got a second installation, you might call it this way, you might call it a different way, it doesn't matter. If the tables already exist, the setup will tell you, and then you can't install it, so you need to choose another prefix. So there is nothing like deleting the tables when they exist and all your users are gone, or something like that. It will tell you that you have to do something, you just choose another prefix. So, if everything is correct, just click on Setup, and you see, actually, this wasn't planned. Yeah, some of the tables exist, and as you see, I've actually already renamed the tables, but, well, doesn't work that way, I think. Okay, so let's just try again. And as you see, an admin account has been created for you. You can choose either the login or the password for security reasons. So you really have to write this down, and unless you can actually remember such a cryptic password. I just wanted to make sure that the system is very secure. So write this down on paper, click on this checkbox, confirming that you've written it down, and click on Go to the login form, which for some reason doesn't work. I think I know the reason. So, sorry for that. The problem was that I was already logged in from a previous test. So, just log in. Yeah, I'd like to save that. And you can begin configuring the ViralListMachine.